Look at that. That's amazing. It's crazy because like you can't see that when that like fogs you. You can't see it. Craig's going to get some pictures. You can't see it. Oh, you can smell that sulfur. Stinks. Good morning from Naples. So today, ladies and gentlemen, is the day. It's the one you've all been waiting for. We are going there. That there is a volcano. It's Europe's most active volcano. No, it's Europe's only active volcano. And apparently it's ready to pop. And we're going to go up there today.
Yeah, it's due. They say every 20 years, but it hasn't gone for a long time. But they reckon if that goes, like it done when it took out Pompeii,
Silence.
take out Naples. That would take out Naples.
It's so close to us. So
yeah, there, it doesn't look. It looks far away.
It looks far away.
It's right there.
So
I
yes.
believe it's 6 miles. 6 miles away from. Oh man, it's fucking, I need to get off here.
Oh, should we spit on someone? Oh, mate. Look, I won't spit on anyone because I'm not a child. Yes. So that is the plan today, guys. And then hopefully, we're going to go and have a little wander around Pompeii. Or Herculaneum. Or one of them, innit? One of the ancient cities.
I think we should do Pompeii.
Yeah, Pompeii. We have to do Pompeii. My mum would be very upset with me if you can't go all that way and not go to Pompeii. But guys, look at this, man. Italy is perfect. You know why? Because in Italy, what do they love? They love their lemon. They love all their lemon stuff. They have over here. Have you fired?
Yeah, sorry.
Fucking stinks. They have lemon Pepsi, and this stuff is nectar of the gods. And also, I don't drink beer, do I, guys? They don't have Radlers, but they have a Peroni lemon, which is actually quite nice. It tastes like beer with a tint of lemon. Anyway, oh man, in my throat. Ooh. Shall we? It's like Ghostbusters. It reminds me of Blade.
Blade.
Yeah, have you ever seen Blade with all the humans in the back of the truck? So it looks like. I know, it's awesome, isn't it? They're quite heavy though, aren't they? He's going to throw it on his shoulder. Yeah, he's ready, look, he's got his red coat on. There's loads in there.
Yeah. There's different types of animals in the back there.
Horse. It's so different down here in the day, isn't it? Oh, yeah, bro, this is it. This is the one.
What's that?
Is this the coffee shop? Oh, it's not a... Is it Italian? Should get a traditional...
That's a Mexico place, though.
Oh, yeah.
Espresso bar.
Do you like espressos?
Yeah. He's going to sell coffee in there.
I don't like espressos. I don't like... Oh, look at that. Like a little hamper. Coffee. Not for me. Gallus, we have it. Gallus. Oh, okay. That's what just...
No, you're good, man.
Qui o qui? Black ball. No black ball, you lost. This. This. Open.
Mad.
No, questo. Look, guarda, look. Non good. Delete the ball with them, mister, guarda. Questo. Chi la trova, vince di qua. Allora, ok. Un altro. Money, mister. E ti trova la palla, vince tu. Via. E dice qui.
Excuse me, one moment,
Ok,
right?
money. Non touch.
I can see
This is a scam.
It's clever. It is a scam.
Excuse me, take the money from me.
Oh, no, okay.
On the back.
No,
On
it's
the
okay.
back.
No, it's okay.
Questa? Le dice questa. O vince lei o lei. Alzi. E così sì.
Well done, mate. Well done.
Chi la trova, vince. Questa chi trova la palla, vince di qua. Io. La palla vediamo. Una. Bravo, vedi, chi trova la palla vince. Via, lei dice qui. Dove mister? This. Ok. Non good.
Thank you.
One. You win. Però you win. You have money. Me, show money.
Don't take it, Craig.
Hello, keep the money. All the best, all the best.
Okay, no problem.
No, no, all the best. Me play.
One.
man.
Questa o
It's for you.
questa?
100 for you.
They're all in on it, isn't they?
Yeah, they have to be.
You win. Mister.
Don't
Mister.
take it. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
No smoking.
No, don't smoke, mate. Cheers.
Oh, that's a massive scam. They tried giving you €50 then.
What he's doing, they're all in on it. So they're
Yeah,
making it
they're
look
all
like
in
he's
on
winning. And,
I've seen it on a. Oh no, thank you. This is awesome.
so they're making it look like they're winning, but they're all
I
in
really
on it.
want to go down there, Craig. We could do that tomorrow, though, can't we? Because we have more important things to do.
Get Pompeii, mate.
Yeah, we're going to Pompeii now.
Let's get your thingy.
We're going to quickly get some breakfast. Yeah, so that thing back there was a complete scam. I'm sure I've seen it before. Because there's no way they're going to give us €50 for nothing, are they?
They're all doing it. I think
Yeah.
every single one of them are on it.
Yeah, 100%.
And it wasn't like here, I'm sure it was that?
It's spot, yeah.
Let's get this and then we'll train station.
Yeah, well, train station right over there. So, do we need to get a metro to Pompeii or a train?
No, it's a train, I think.
Okay. Well, it's exciting, guys. We're going to get a train to Pompeii.
Yeah, I
We're going to
know.
Pompeii, and then, because like I said, we're completely winging this. We haven't got a clue what's going on. We haven't got a clue how to. Well, basically, we don't know what we're doing. But
The metro, I think, only goes under. We need to go that way to Pompeii. I think.
yeah. So for anyone is looking to go to Pompeii, this vlog is for you, because we are completely winging it. We're just doing it off our own backs. We've got nothing planned. We just know there's a bus called the Express that goes to the top.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a different one today.
Is this?
What's that there? Do I go in? Where do we get them from? Bit of donuts. Do you want anything?
Massive.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sausage and shit.
Well, whatever I get, do you want to share? No, happy. I might get one. That's what we had yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's chicken. I wanted to try one of these. Reza con carne. Drink that's chili con carne, you know. Hey mate, can I get one of them?
This rice, this is spaghetti.
And what's in there? Rice and...
Rice, meat, cheese, and tomato.
Oh, I'll have one of them, please. Do
To
you
go
want
with you, my friend.
it? No, just to go, please, buddy. Do you want one of them?
What's that one? Mozzarella.
It looks like mozzarella in toast, which has been battered. Do you want anything?
I'm gonna get one of these.
Do you want to pay for it? Can I... My friend, can I also get one of these as well, please? One of them ones. The toast, is it? Yeah, please.
The cheese.
Yes,
mozzarella.
please, yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's fine. My friend. Oh, the goods. Oh, look at them, mate.
I know. I need to get a photo of that. Show me. It's a massive one.
I'm gonna have to get one. So for all that, we've got a donut. We've got these two things. Only come to €4.
Mate. I'll leave you half of this, mate.
I don't want to have that.
No, try it. It's really nice.
Give me a little bit. Do
Oh, mate.
you want this? That's okay. Nothing on hot bread shop though. Look at us trying. Look at us trying the Italian delicacies. What is it? Just toast and...
Mozzarella cheese. It's like a cheese toasty, but like you said, it's almost like dipped and fried. Weird, isn't it?
Want that?
You have it, mate. Go on.
I want the other one. Can I have that one? I'm feeding Craig all the food.
That one you had yesterday?
Yeah, it's a little bit different though. Mmm. These are amazing. Look at that. These are amazing, man. I'm gonna miss these. That's what I'm gonna miss so far. Oh wow, look at that, bro. We're going up there. Right, so we need to buy a ticket to Pompeii. That sounds weird, doesn't it, buying a ticket to Pompeii? We haven't got a clue what we're doing. There's a ticket office there. Because we need... what time is it? It's 7... Oh, it's a date. It's not 7 o'clock, is it? Do we get tickets from here?
Beware of pickpockets. In case of need, ask only Trenitalia staff for more information.
A ticket to Pompeii would cost €6. And that's a return, is it?
Beware of pickpockets.
That's 6.
In case of need, ask only
€6 each way.
for more information.
It's labelled there. Change it. One. You got to change somewhere.
See if we can get a ticket to Pompeii. Is that? Ticket office. Busy here now. Where number? Oh god, 8257. 575, yeah. I just ask her. Right, so she said we need to go downstairs. I think we need to take the metro there. Because she said there's stairs going down for a lift. And then we got to get a Vesuvius line. And she said that'd be better for us.
Is that a separate line to the one we were on yesterday, is it?
I think so, yeah. So I think it goes a different way. She said there was there's stairs there, we can just go to the left. Madame? So it's kind of exciting, because we almost bought tickets then.
Which one?
-2, I think.
Yeah, she said it goes straight there as well, didn't she?
Yeah, I don't know what, it says -1 there, line 01, that's what she said. Oh man. Yeah, I don't need you anymore. Oh man. Don't know where the fuck. I know, people smoke everywhere, don't they? It's weird when you go to restaurants and people are just there smoking. It's really weird. We don't know where we're going. It's exciting, isn't it? What an adventure! Oh, what purpose are you? We overheard her talking to someone else, so she said at the end of the corridor to the right, you can get the tickets to Pompeii. You excited?
I am, mate. Really looking forward to this the most.
Yeah, this is a bit of a palaver to do it. I suppose you should read about it before, but what fun would that be? Yeah, back,
Open
please.
ticket, yeah.
Was that each?
I'm not sure, so look.
Okay, how much?
Go ahead.
12. 6? 12 it is.
I mean, which got 6?
Have you got €1 on your bed?
I haven't, I've got.
If you give him that, and you just have to change with a 10. That's yours.
Oh yeah, you got it. Thank you, man. That's good, yeah.
Thank you, mate. Where are we gonna go? Where to? That's yours, isn't it? Where to we gotta go, mate?
Which platform? Where to?
Over there, downstairs, number 3, the next one, 10:45.
Amazing. Gracias. Is it gracias or grazie?
Mate, so that was
€3 there and back. Yeah.
Mate, you can't.
Yeah.
I just need a toilet, mate. So we got 20 minutes, so there's probably a toilet on there, right?
I don't know which one's which, bro.
Shit.
Don't know what's what. What's going on? We're in the underground, I think. Oh wow! I didn't even know what train we got to get or anything. Platform 3, yeah? I'm glad someone was listening. I'm just like overwhelmed. I love all this. I think it's exciting.
I'll just want to pick up a toilet quickly. I don't think there's going to be a toilet there.
Alright. Yeah, put down there now. It's exciting. They got weird toilets here though, don't they? They clean themselves. Where's everyone going? On the, don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, that's the platform there, mate. That's right, I'll hold it together.
There might be a toilet on the train. When cake, someone should have come here. A cake. Oh my god, look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You said 20. Is it? 42.
Are we on the right platform? Oh, look at all these people. It's like the Matrix. Do you know that scene in the Matrix? Were you looking at me? Were you talking to me, or were you looking at the girl in the red dress? Look again. Try and get someone to like... Oh, I'm urged to touch the train. I don't know. That would be a very bad idea, I think. Right. Platform 3, so we're on that side, yeah? Badass, this is awesome. Look at that, someone's had pizza down here. No, it's not, is it? Campier Express. All aboard. Sorrento.
So it's a Sorrento train, but it's not the Pompeii.
Pompeii scavi?
Is there just one stop in Pompeii?
Sì, c'è il Sorrento, sì. Però c'è Pompeii scavi, Pompeii santuario.
Yeah, the Volcano.
Santuario può andare.
That's what we're doing.
Volcano. 15 minutes.
Hey mate,
Oh, sorry. English? And you want to go Pompeii or Sorrento?
No, we're going to Pompeii.
We're going number 3.
No, this train Sarno, the next tree, the next one, you look at the monitor orange, Sorrento, via Pompeii, 10:45.
Yeah.
No, this train, the next, this stop Pompeii, Villa degli Stelle,
Ah, okay.
okay? 10:45.
Yeah, awesome, yeah.
Keep this for me, or you want to change, or you
Why
come.
don't change on me, mate?
We already knew that anyway, we already knew it.
Yeah, he's trying to get information off us. So we must be working together. Ah, you guys are working together. That's quite clever. Yeah, you tell him when he gets money. Yeah, it's good.
Lui lavora,
Yeah.
turista lavora così.
Yeah, no, we already knew anyway, so...
No, capito?
Yeah.
If I didn't know and he told me info, I'd give him...
Io non parlo, lui capito?
Yeah, I prefer
Anche
big breasted ladies.
information di lui,
Yeah,
capito?
yeah. Me too, mate. Thank you, mate. Fucking hell.
I don't know there's going to be a few of them.
So that's the second scam of the day.
I'm not falling for any of it.
I know, you were just trying to tell us, get money off us, for telling us where we're going, which we already knew anyway. Like, you started talking to us, we didn't come to ask him for him. Oh, look at that! Well, the thing is, because they can't speak English, unless they can speak English, they just play on it, we can totally, like, say what we want. It's pretty good, isn't it? Like,
I hate people still going together.
I know. Like it's like this is graffiti, but that's not, is it? That looks like it's proper art. Art. It's like everyone's smoking. Overwhelming. Oh, look at John Malkovich over there. There's John Malkovich, see him? Checking us out. Look at how he looks like an alien. Let me see if we can zoom in on him. I don't know where he is. Who's getting up? Looks like John Malkovich. Look, we met John Malkovich in Italy. I'm John Malkovich. Oh, the microphone there, isn't it? The microphone. Why is it wearing a woman's coat? That's a woman's coat, isn't it? Oh, the fashion, Italian fashion. This is going to be pretty round. We're not standing. We're not standing on a train now. After paying a whole €3.
Disgusting. He's standing 15 minutes ago.
Here we go. Watch you don't get sucked in, Craig. It might suck you into the. I think everyone's gonna rush on. Which one? Which one? We need to like push in. I know. Don't bother me, mate. Everyone's just fucking pushing in. Let's sit by here. You sit now and I sit on this one.
You sit down, mate. I'll stand by you.
Fucking hell. Unless an old person wants to sit down. Shall I give yeah, they're very rude. Shall I give up my seat to someone? No, I'm going to give my seat up to someone. Who should I give my seat up to? Any oldies?
Yeah, mate, sure.
I gave up my seat, I felt bad. So, I'm like that. It's like a map.
Where are we on there?
We are. To be honest, mate, I haven't got a clue.
There was Naples on there.
Yeah, we're in Naples. Oh, it tells you there. The next stations and stuff. This guy's pointing to this side.
Only a fan anyway.
This is a new experience.
It's good fun, mate.
Jumping on a train in a different country. I've never done this before. Apart from the Eurostar, but that doesn't really count. Let's have a little look to see what it's like outside the city. What we need on this train is that guy with the harmonica.
Oh, no, he was awesome.
He was awesome. The most important sniff.
Creature.
Oh wow, look at that, guys. We're like next to a bloody road. That's pretty cool. So we think, right? The one way getting off, that way. Pompeii, Scavi. Oh, sorry, mate. Oh, sorry, mate. Do you want to get up? Come on. Oh, you take a picture of that, was he? I'm not sure if I know.
We're there, mate.
What? We're on Barra. Like Barry. It's like a Italian version of Barry.
Barry Island.
Barra Island. I was hoping the doors would open so I could pull my camera out. Look at that, people levitate onto the trains. Ooh, they're going backwards. It's not good. You see the mountain in the distance over there. Oh wow, it is cool to see kind of like all the like back streets and all the like out of the city rims. I'd love to go and explore this, man. If we had more time, I'd love to just get off on one of these stations and go and see what's going on over here. Like, it's look really cool. And I've noticed lemon trees in like almost every garden. I think that's pretty cool. You can have a delicious Pepsi with a lemon. Your own grown lemon.
Sniff me.
Sniffed your fingers.
Oh my god. So you don't want to sniff my fingers, you don't know where they've been, especially this morning.
I know where they've been, I can smell it. Oh, check this out. There's a bit of music in there. You see me with the camera now, he's going to come to us now and ask for money. We're gonna hopefully go halfway and then we're going to work the rest. Yeah, we're going to pass up. Good trip. Might be big. quite fit. Bye bye. Nice meeting you. Ciao. Ciao.
Are you from Argentina?
Oh, Argentina, nice.
Oh, cool.
They also beat us in the rugby.
Maradona.
We've been. Ciao. Ciao.
No, not this one.
I don't know. Everyone seems to be going off.
This is that place where you Is that other place where you go to Pompeii?
Right,
Go
okay.
up to the mountain.
Okay.
You want to go to Pompeii, don't you?
Oh, there's someone's head in my face.
What?
There's someone's head in my face.
Yeah, this is that other place where you can go to Pompeii. Go to the mountain. Sorry.
Right. Okay.
This is this now.
Jesus Christ.
But we want to see Pompeii, don't we?
Yeah. He's cheating. Don't mind the step, bloody hell. Not very disabled friendly, that is it? Right then, so this is Pompeii, yeah?
Lovely, isn't it?
Pompeii Scally, it's lovely, isn't it? It's like a nice heat, isn't it? So all these people are probably going into Pompeii, but we are going to the top of the Mount Vesuvius. Oh wow, it's over there.
That's the already made. That's the accolade.
Right. Let's see how we get to the top. Oh, there's loads of tickets.
If you go to Pompeii, start the next tour in English now.
This is Pompeii.
If you want to just ticket here.
Oh yeah, we want to go to the mountain at the top.
You have already the entrance for the mountain.
No. Where do we
Go
get?
around the corner, first floor, you can buy the entrance, the
Okay.
tickets, and then the bus over there at the blue star.
Amazing, that's awesome, thank you. What you say, around the corner up the stairs, yeah? Alright.
It's awesome, mate. This is awesome.
It is awesome, isn't it? Oh yeah.
Mountain.
We want to go to the top of the mountain?
Okay, you have the reservation for Vesuvius.
We haven't got anything.
Okay, so for the ticket it's 17 euros per person, only cash payments, and then which time you have the bus?
We haven't got a bus, no.
Are you going by local transport? Or
We
by
don't know, someone said there's a bus that goes up
Because
there.
you check first the timing schedule of the bus, okay?
They just sent us.
They just told us to come up here, yeah.
You already know at what time you have the bus.
Don't know, we buy the tickets for the bus up here, do we? Bloody nice. What's going on?
That's down there.
At 12:05.
Okay. Where do we get our tickets for the bus?
Here, for the bus on board to the driver. Here is for the national park.
Okay, do you know how much it would be for the driver?
3,60 €.
Oh, okay.
So what, we buy that now then, and then we go down there, is it? Yeah.
Okay. It's a little bit chaotic, isn't it? Yeah. Basically, we just paid 17 euros each for the to go to the top, but we got to pay the bus driver another 360. We're just waiting for our tickets now because it did say online, didn't it? You had to buy tickets and reserve them. Right? Thank you. Ooh. Our tickets. Excited. And then when we come back, then we'll buy more tickets then to go into Pompeii. So I think we ripped off a little bit. I think because we paid 17 euros for these. Now these are the things that get us into the. This is what gets us up into the entrance at the top. But the bus is like €3, which we're going to pay now. But it says here 10 euros, so I'm not sure if it's 10. I'm pretty sure I've seen online it's 10 euros to get into go at the top. So they just charged us 17. So they basically made 17 euros off us for nothing. But I'm not sure if you need these tickets to go up there. I don't know. We'll find out when we go up there. We'll ask, and if not, we'll come back and say you ripped us off. Japanese, eh? Arigato. Is that? Huh? Why are they ignoring me? Arigato. 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 I don't know what you're saying, mate. Fuck you, fat boy. Maybe it's like we're not Chinese, we're not Japanese. Oh. So we just found out it's 360 up and 360 down. It's one way. So that must mean like you go up there, you get to the top, have an hour or whatever, then we come down. As long as we're back down by, I don't know, how long do you reckon it'll take us to go around Pompeii? Because they shut at 5.
I'm sure it says 45 minutes drive up there, 45 minutes back, hour up there. That's what, 2.5 hours, 3 hours maybe we'll be up there.
Well, if we get back by 3.
We'll get back.
3? Even if we're in there for like an hour.
An hour will be good now,
Yeah. I wonder if we can sneak in. So we're still waiting for the bus. A bus just pulled past, didn't it? We were like, oh yeah, it is. It was a massive coach. We were like, how's that going to get up there? But then it turned out to be, it just drove straight past us. So that sucked, didn't it? So yeah, this is pretty cool. Like all the kind of like touristy trappy bit, you know, like really expensive. I think I paid $2.50 for a can of Coke. Why the hell did I pay $2.50 for a can of Coke? That's mental. I didn't even think. So yeah, so we got all the kind of touristy trappy stuff by here. We do think that we got scammed because it's only £11 to get up there. But €5, you know, it's easy. It's just there. As long as it wasn't like €50 or anything like that, you know.
So anything, you buy it online or before, it's going to be cheaper, isn't it? But
yeah, that's the thing. We are winging it. Like I said, we don't know what to expect. We've never been here before, so we're just trying to do it for the first time, you know. So if you guys are thinking of doing it, then it's not too bad, really, is it? I don't know. They said there was €20 to get into Pompeii though, so I'm not sure if you can actually go into Pompeii, or we can buy tickets online, maybe. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see what happens when we come down. If we've got time, hopefully we've got time. We've scheduled it, provided this bus is on time. We've scheduled it to get down here around 3:30, 4 o'clock. So if that's the case, then we should be able to go in Pompeii for an hour and go and have a little exploration, and see what we get until they kick us out, basically. Until they go, you got to leave now.
We'll look online now for tickets for Pompeii.
The bus is here, Craig. Yay!
I can rest my feet.
Got to pay with the driver though. Is that quite a big bus? I don't know. Look how happy she is to be into my house. Look at her mouth. It's massive. Guys, right, have a look at the driver. He looks like an assassin. That's not where we go on. Come with him, alright, buddy? What's stuff falling on my bloody pockets? Yeah, like the naughty boys. I was going to say, but yeah.
Over there if you want.
It stinks on you, doesn't it? We can sit at the back though if you want.
It's up to you. If you want to go over there, it might be better. More like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh. Depends on what he's getting on. Might be worth having one seat each.
Yeah, if you want. And if it gets too crowded, then we'll sit next to each other and hold hands. Onward to Mount Vesuvius. Interrupt, please God, don't let it erupt. Please God, don't let it erupt. How you feeling, mate?
Good, mate. Excited, man.
Excited. We are going up. It is a little bit bumpy, isn't it? But we're heading up to the top of Mount Doom. It's not really much to see, really, just like loads of houses. Otherwise, I'll have the camera out and I'll be showing you guys exactly what we can see. But this is basically the view, like, you know. Wow, look at that view. Wowza, bloody hell. I'm kind of glad I'm sat on this side because I don't know what Craig can see. I don't know if there's like a little wall to protect us. Quite high up. It's pretty cool. This is very cool, actually. What's gonna happen? Yeah. Fair play. This is pretty cool, one, isn't it? Only 360, man. This is definitely worth it. And coming up here, look at this. Because the view is phenomenal just from this side, which you will see in a minute. You kind of see little bits. We're currently driving up an active volcano. Look. Wait. Can you? Oh, he's tour guide. I suppose it would be cool to go on a tour guide, but then it's hard to vlog with a tour guide because you've got to like basically listen to everything. But we kind of like learn in little bits and then telling you as we go. This is amazing. Random look. It's random. They got penis statues. What? Why have they got penis statues?
Get one of these on the way back down.
Ah, okay.
I think these are all made out of the
That's cool. So I've had to throw my hoodie on because it's a little bit cold up here. How you feeling, mate? You ready?
Yeah, I'm cold. Yeah, my hoodie on.
Yeah. So basically at the top, isn't it?
We're 1,000 metres up.
1,000 metres up, so we just got
300 to go.
300 metres to walk. Just up there. Should be right, as long as it's like a steady incline. There's an ambulance up there, bloody hell.
Someone's collapsed.
Someone's collapsed. It's ready for me. By the way, what I want to say, those roads were absolutely insane. Only a trained assassin could go through those roads.
He was mad, wasn't he, that guy?
Yeah. Where do we pay?
Yes, we do, yeah. That way, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
You do what?
YouTuber, going to the top now. Our channel's called Spudboys.
I'm a hip hop record.
Oh wow, okay. Check it out. Maybe we can collab.
It's online. Can I snap it?
Yeah. Take a picture of that. Might have another subscriber there.
So there we go. So yeah, they do check the tickets.
Right, it is cold up here, no bloody hell, no.
Where are the clouds, mate? Look, there's clouds right there. Look at that.
I'm glad I brought my hoodie. Okay. Like this incline's okay, I can handle this. This is fine, isn't it? Like a slow incline like this. So is this like lava rock?
This seems
very gravelly, isn't it?
yeah.
Look at that.
You see it?
We're like in the clouds, look. Wow. It's crazy. Oh, it's cold, isn't it? Like that. Oh God. It's a bit of a hard. It's going to be a bit of a struggle for me, this. Should be good. Hello. Oh, I thought you wanted to come over to be smooth.
God was offering you a stick.
He's offering me a stick, but I think I need to pay for it. So I said, is it free? I know. Right, I'm gonna if you want to rush on, go ahead. I'm going to take my time. What time is it now?
It's only 1 o'clock, mate.
Oh, there you go. Because I think there was 3:05. One of the.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's go down then.
So I wonder if these are here, right? The bits are like lava and stuff. Like that there, look. What's this here? Whoa. Oh man, look at this. Goes up there. Oof. Luckily for me, I've got big, strong Scottish legs. I walked all that already. Whew. Oh. What do you think the penis statues were about?
It's a bit weird, isn't it?
A little bit. Look at that view. It's amazing. Wow, even though coming up to years worth it, isn't it?
You've got to see the creaker.
Oh yeah, 100%. Just up this there, then maybe up again. I find it easier if I take little steps rather than big man steps. Look at that. Proper in the clouds, look. That's awesome, isn't it, man?
Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Oh. It looks like smoke.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Look at that, bro, up there. Straight up, look. Loud. Oh, is this the top? Can it be? We've made it.
I reckon it's the dying spot.
Oh, look at this, man. My mouth is so dry, I need some water. Look at that. So we have found a hut. Hopefully it'll be okay.
Funny if it was like, I had to check tickets again. Like someone's gone up there and like, yes, free, go there. No, get
See how like all the scientific gear and stuff. So this is the hut of some sort. Whew. Yeah, maybe. That's cool, isn't it? So we found a shop halfway up. Oh, it's like a bottle of water. Oh, watch out. Is it coming up here? Oh, look at this, man. All this rock. I think this is lava rock. Oh, that's amazing, bro. That's lava. Yeah. I'm gonna take some back with me.
Yeah, I'll grab some.
No, I'll grab one on the way down. So this is where like all the lava's come out. That's crazy, yeah. Quite rough. No way, it's just a crater. What's this thing? Is it a crater? Oh, what? I'm pretty sure there's another viewpoint from over there. Oh, that's insane. Do you know what, Craig? That climb wasn't actually that bad.
Not yet here.
No, I'm here. Is that cloud? Or is that smoke?
I don't know. That's cloud, isn't it?
I hope it's not smoke.
Yeah, that's cloud down there. It'd be awesome if it's smoke, wouldn't it?
It wouldn't be awesome. So are we going to get down? Let's have a look over here. Oh, what? This is amazing, man. Can't really see anything. But when the clouds disappear, you'd see all of Naples, yeah. Oh, what? Craig, that's not cloud. That's smoke.
No, that's not it. Well, I think. Maybe it's smoke, I don't know. We're on an active volcano.
We are on an active volcano, yeah.
Talk a bit. Come back in a minute, hopefully I'll see you.
Surely they'd tell us to get down if it was that bad.
I said we went to the one in Greece when it was smoking and steaming and stuff.
Oh man. Was that?
So if I remember correctly, I'll double check. I'm pretty sure this mountain is higher than Snowdon in Wales.
Oh wow, okay. Snowdon, easy. Oh, look at that car. Cheated. Let's get out of his way before he runs me over. Look where you. Ooh. Whoa. inside the crater. Oh, what? It's kind of a shame. But it also looks pretty good. And you guys know the journey we've taken today. I don't think it'll be cloudy much, will it? And we'll see. So nice.
Wind.
Clear a little bit there.
Hopefully.
What time is it now?
25 to 2. We've got plenty of time to put by here now.
We've got ages.
Go down, jump on that bus.
And go Pompeii for an hour.
Yeah, I'll go Pompeii.
This would look amazing if there was no cloud. It's mad, isn't it?
Come on, if we just imagine a view of the Naples.
I know, from by here, like. Oh. It's a shame. So, what's this? Yeah. What's this one? What is that?
What is that?
I don't know what it is.
It's the same all over the world.
Is that the Is that the
I don't think he's got one.
Is that the volcano erupting?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I thought it was.
For me, it's a new one. I am already.
Ah.
It's a very new one.
Are they dancing?
Yeah,
Ah,
dancing. After drink the wine. Allora, together is a 22. Your total.
Cool.
Please. Yeah.
There's that. I think I might have the 2. Give me a second.
See. Va bene.
What are they doing in that one?
Uh-huh.
I don't know what they're doing. What's that?
Take the glass.
Thank you.
What's in the wine? No.
Ah, he's giving her CPR.
Yeah,
He's helping her. Okay. She was choking on a cookie.
Ignore him, you don't get out.
No problem.
Right. So Craig, this is the first coffee he's had while here.
Espresso.
So this is an Italian espresso. Oh bloody hell! There's nothing in it.
Yeah, an espresso is a shot of pure like.
Are you supposed to down it?
I think so. Excuse me. Do you just down it? Do you hear that? No. Slow. Slow, is it? Oh, is it?
Okay.
That's sugar. I don't need that. I'll just take that. That's alright. Thank you.
Okay. Here you go.
Smell that. Smell strong now.
Oh fuck hell. It smells horrible.
Oh my god, that is strong.
Try a bit.
Mate, that is lovely though. The aftertaste is very strong.
Oh fuck no. How do people like that shit? That's horrible. How do people like coffee? Like, just tastes like I'm drinking
Yeah,
charcoal.
look, watch this now. Look how dark that is, isn't it, mate?
You got it on your nose. How do people like that, man?
It's clearing a bit.
Oh wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Craig, look at this, Craig. The last time this volcano erupted was 1944, and obviously it's due another eruption. They say it's due every 20 years. Let's hope it's not today, because that would suck. Go tomorrow so we can get home. But obviously you all know the story of Pompeii. I believe it was 79 AD?
Yeah, we've seen earlier on one at 79 AD.
79 AD, obviously it erupted, wiped out, I think it was like 3 massive cities all built around Pompeii, built around Vesuvius, I think Herculaneum, obviously Pompeii, which is the famous one because the people literally turned to stone. That's as far as I'm aware. Like I know there's probably some sort of science to it, but when we go there we'll learn about that. But I just know that the ash covered them, and when they dug them up they found the remains of body, but they're all stone. But obviously when we go to Pompeii we'll find that out. But this is insane. How come we can't see lava then?
It's because it stops and then it cools and then it goes to rock, don't it? So
okay.
So it's just rock. Probably. There, look at that. It looks soft there, doesn't it?
Yeah. when it's all kind of falling in.
So it all cools and goes to rock. So it's underneath. It's not that far underneath the ground, is it?
No. Like you could set it, if you could drop a bomb.
Look at that. You can see.
It is amazing. You could drop a bomb down there, can you, and make it erupt. Oh, look at all that. That's smoke over there, isn't it? That's not cloud, surely.
Yeah, that's cloud, mate.
'Cause you can smell it.
It don't smell as strong as that one I went to before. But this is, look at it. It's all coming up. It's all rising.
Yeah, it's wicked.
Look at that. It's revealing itself to us.
It's like, hey guys, hey Spudboys, you are, mate. This is for the viewers. You amazing viewers watching this vlog right now, this is for you. How far down do you think that is? Because it don't look that far. But do you think those rocks are like this size? So it's really far down, it's massive.
Well, that's a good 200 meters, So the craters, mate, they like, so say we've climbed a mountain like this, the crater ain't that deep, so it's not like it goes as deep as we've climbed.
Ah, okay. Wow, that's amazing.
The one, this is a lot deeper than the one in Greece we went to, but the one in Greece seemed to be bigger and flat. It was flat. We went in there, and literally.
It's crazy to think, like, you know, 2,000 years ago, this was killed. How many people do you reckon it killed?
It was a minimum. It was over 1,000 people. It was. Oof. That was a lot of people for the time.
It's crazy. Man, such a shame it's cloudy.
Imagine the view.
Can you imagine the view from up here? Hopefully it'll go and we can see. But we have seen. Oh, this might be like an old cable car. Look, there's they got the old cables. So, yeah, so maybe they used to have like a cable car coming up here. Look at that. It's interesting. How very peculiar. That is pretty cool, mind, isn't it? I don't know what it is. Maybe like Craig said, we should get a Spudboy sticker. Maybe I could put my badge on it. That's pretty cool. Well, people leave stuff for free souvenirs. I think that you get like loads of bad luck. What do you think's going on there then?
That's Pompeii, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, such a shame. It's a shame, man. Like it's amazing, but at the same time, it's such a shame, isn't it?
Yeah. I know, it's gutting, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing how we've got up here. We've seen into the crater, so it is pretty cool, but it's got in there. There's nothing. Guys, is anything down there worth seeing? It's such a shame, all the clouds. It cleared just now, so we could see into it, but this is what we wanted to see, like all Naples. Yeah, it's like a mixture of like smoke and cloud, isn't it? Like, and every now and again you get a whiff of like sulphur. It's not that strong though. But I was saying maybe because it's quite the stones might be quite hot, and they're like the moisture of the air is hitting it, and that's where the steam's coming from. Oh, look at that. That's weird, isn't it? Isn't that weird? Oh, look at that. Look at another part of the volcano. But this is what I was looking forward to, the view of Naples from up here. But as you can see, unfortunately, it's too cloudy. But that's okay, because at least we made it. At least we're up here. I think this here might be like, if the volcano did erupt, they can kind of guide the lava. Oh wow, look at that over there. It's amazing. Wow. Is this a better view? Wow. Whoa. That's amazing, isn't it?
God, look at that. That's incredible, isn't it? Look at the size on these rocks, yeah.
That's amazing, man. Oh.
Oh no.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be the end of this vlog. We are currently, like we said, we're at the top of a mountain. This one killed loads of people. Serial killer mountain. Volcano. Not a mountain. I keep saying volcano. So yeah, so that's been a really good one. This journey's been incredible. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like I said, we had no plans. We just went to the Pompeii station. Cost €17 to get here. Well, $3.60 to get to the mountain as well, which is not too bad, is it?
Not too bad, mate, is it?
Because I've seen things online they're like €20, so it cost us about €21. So it's not too bad. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go check out Pompeii. We wanted to get this out of the way first. But unfortunately, because of the cloud, like I said to Craig, I'm disappointed. And he goes, I'm not disappointed, I'm just gutted. I goes, well, yeah, that's the same thing, because it's incredible that we're here.
Yeah.
And we've actually walked around, and obviously we're going to nick some rocks off the floor to see, you know.
Yeah, so disappointed is completely different to gutted.
Yeah, that's
it's
right.
Amazing I'm here, but gutted, the weather.
Gutted that we are in the clouds. Still got coffee. Yeah, espresso. It's not for me.
Just a little.
Yeah. It's stained his skin.
Oh, it's strong as that. We'll save it for later.
Right then, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this. I hope you have liked the video. It's been an amazing adventure, you know. And it's not over. We've still got a couple more vlogs to go. So thank you so much. And we will catch you all on the flip side. Beep, 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 beep.